can't weld with such a little flame? Stupid kid.
Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. This is your homeboy Captain Manny. You guys already know. If you're new, somehow got to this channel, don't forget to subscribe right here below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. On my channel, guys, I blog anything I'm doing welding related. Okay, so whether it's I'm taking a test for work, chilling at home, waiting for a job to pop up, practicing, for a test, whatever the case might be. Alright, I blog everything I'm doing. Okay, my welding journey. That's right. It's Easter weekend. I hope you guys having a good Easter weekend. Alright, I was gonna do a TIG video, but I ran out of argon. That's right. So I was like, damn, I need to get some new argon next week. When they open up next week, I'll get some argon hopefully and practice some TIG. So stay tuned for next week's video. I'm gonna show you my TIG rig. I'm gonna practice on some pipe because there might be a test coming up. TIG root 7018, so that will be a combo welder job because you're doing two different welding process, which is TIG root and 7018. So TIG and stick. Alright, we combine two process to get it perfect 100%. I love it the mother. Alright, I done this test before and I passed it, but it's been a while, guys. Like right now I'm still on this job doing 6010 root 7018 all the way out, and I have a video right here. I'm gonna put the link right here if you guys want to check it out. That was 6010 root 7018 all the way out, monster coupon. But this most likely is gonna be a monster coupon, but the root is gonna be TIG 70S2 most likely, 7018 all the way out. So I'm gonna get some argon. I'm gonna get everything, for TIG. TIG is not my friend. Like I said in some videos that you guys seen, me and TIG, we're not friends, but I can probably do a TIG root. Alright, I hope you guys have a good Easter weekend. Alright, and stay tuned for next week video. We're gonna be doing some TIG. We're gonna practice TIG. I'm gonna get a bottle of argon and get my TIG rig and use the classic 300 MP just to do some TIG. Alright, I'm gonna get some 70S2 wire and go to town. That's right. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys stay safe out there. God bless. Stay tuned for next week's video. We're gonna do some TIG. Alright, bye.